Hello, and welcome back to Tech Review Guide. Today we are moving beyond chat. By March 2026, the era of generative AI, simply asking questions and getting text, is over. We have officially entered the Agentic Era. An agentic AI workflow doesn't just draft an email. It reasons through a task, creates subtasks, delegates them to other specialized agents, and executes the final action autonomously. The biggest challenge? Initiating these complex systems without opening 5 different apps. Today I'm going to show you a surgical implementation, using NFC hardware Gen 2 to trigger a multi-agent system from your smartphone with a single physical tap. This physical interface acts as the bridge between your intent and the autonomous execution layer. To build this, we must first understand why traditional automation is obsolete. Tools like IFTTT or early Zapier relied on linear, static logic. If A happens, then B happens. It works fine for turning on a light bulb, but it's brittle. If any variable changes, the workflow breaks. In an agentic workflow, a physical NFC trigger initiates a supervisor agent. This agent is powered by a reasoning model like GPT 5.5 or Llama 4. It evaluates context. It might check your location, your calendar, and your recent project documents before deciding on the next step. It utilizes tool use APIs to access real-world data and self-corrects if it encounters an error. For this zero UI interface, we need a high-speed, low-latency bridge. In March 2026, the Pitaka Aaron Button has established itself as the standard for this interaction. This isn't your old 2015 NFC tag. It uses NFC Forum Type 5 high-speed and expanded onboard memory. This allows it to store encrypted context tokens. When you tap your phone, it doesn't just send a generic ID, it tells your agentic workflow, this is the home office context activated. Let's build a production-grade workflow. Our goal is a one-tap executive briefing. Tap your phone to your desk at 9 a.m. and you get an audio summary. The trigger: map the Aaron button in its companion app to send a unique webhook URL. Use an automation tool like N8N to listen for this webhook. In N8N, trigger a multi-agent chain initializing the supervisor agent. It immediately delegates tasks to specialized worker agents. This level of automation raises serious security concerns. An agent that can read your email and draft responses can also be compromised. Your agents must use temporary scoped access tokens. For sensitive tasks, the workflow must require a second biometric confirmation tap from the physical NFC hardware. In March 2026, to run a local agent without latency, your smartphone needs an NPU with at least 45 TOPS, like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 or Apple A19 Pro. Building agentic workflows with NFC triggers is a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. It is the beginning of the invisible computer. Which model are you using as your supervisor? What is the most complex workflow you've built? Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next deep dive.